Making smooth restaurant quality purees is super simple, and today we'll be making a puree made from cauliflower. So in a brazier on medium heat, add some neutral oil. We'll then add 2 cups of finely sliced cauliflower and mix well until incorporated with the oil. We'll then add some salt and a few cubes of butter. We'll sweat until the cauliflower is slightly translucent. Then we'll add heavy cream to cover. We'll mix this well and ensure the cauliflower is fully submerged. We'll bring to a gentle simmer and then cover with a lid to cook for 10 minutes. Once the time has elapsed, I'll give that another stir and slowly reduce the cream. To test for doneness, we'll use the back of a fork to mash the cauliflower. I'll remove from the heat and then add to a blender. I'll then blitz on high speed until the puree is nice and smooth. And here's our lovely cauliflower puree. You can store in a deli container or add to a squeeze bottle like so if you wish for a more refined plating style. And this is the most basic puree you can make, but later in the course we'll be showcasing many more. So that does it for how to make a puree. Remember, you can use any type of liquid you want. Water will offer a more pure flavor, whereas vegetable stock will add complexity, and heavy cream will provide richness. You can make your puree as thick or thin as you wish. It all depends on the application within your dish. If you have a demi-glace, for example, a puree would be great as a rich, smooth component on your plate. If not, you can make a puree act as a sauce and bring the dish together. It's all up to you and how you decide to experiment and pair different flavors. In the next lesson, we'll be going over a fourth and final type of sauce. I'll see you there.